To start off with, click on Start UI and right next to it there is a plus. If you guys don't have the plus, just left click and click Insert Object. I'm going to use the plus because I like it. So what you guys want to do is when you search object, search screen GUI. Once you guys are there, click the plus again, search up frame and text button. Now obviously you guys can do it without a text button, or you can do it with an image button or a text button, it's up to you. So right now what I want to do is go to our size. In our size it's hard to explain how you think you can understand it. So just imagine the screen right here as a GUI or a GUI, like a grid, I should say. This right here is 0, so up where the button is at, that's 0. If we were to set its size to be 1, 0, it would be the whole length of the screen. If you were to set this at 0, 1, that would mean it's 1 pixel long. Or if you were to think of it like studs, it would be 1 stud out of 100 long. Or not 100, but however big the screen is. We're going to set this at simply 0, 250. That'll give us let's try 175. 175 works. I'm going to change the background transparency to 1, and we're going to move it. So if we talked about the axis being the same, it's the same thing for position. So we want it to be up, not all the way halfway down. So if we were to put the Y at 0.5, I would put it here. So we're going to put this at 0.35, which will put it there, which is a decent spot. Now, right now you guys can barely see the button, so if you scroll down your properties, and over here you can edit the font with these many fonts here, and you can edit the text. We're going to put Open GUI. Then we're going to put you can click text scaled. I'm just going to put the text at like decent size. Alright, so now that I got my text at 30, you can change the color to whatever you want. You can do whatever you want. You don't have to make the background transparent at all. It's up to you. Okay, so now always click text wrapped here, because it makes it so it stays inside the text box no matter what. Now we're going to add a script inside of the text box, and you want to make it a script right here. Alright, so now that we got our GUI there, we're going to go over to our text button, click the plus, and search up script right here. Now that you have your script open, now you guys are going to want to top up the following. Wait, so what is this telling? It's telling it to wait 1 second. Now this will be a variable, on equals false. You guys will see what this will be going later. So right now we're just doing variables. If you guys have not seen any tutorials, I'll link any some Roblox tutorials from the actual Roblox YouTube channel below, or you guys can click up in the top hand corner of the screen right now, and you guys will get see some tutorials on what I'm doing and what I'm talking about. So these right here, these are two variables saying local on equals false, local f equals this right here, script.Parent.Parent.Frame. Now what this means, script is the script right here, parent is the parent. So it's this is the parent of the script. So if I click on script and it says parent right here, this is the parent, which is the text button. The parent of this, so you're getting the script's parent's parent, so the parent of this button, which is screen GUI. And it's searching for frame right here. Now you guys want to go down to function, type of function, click that right there. If on equals false, then on equals true, f dash tween, Now what this tween position means is that that's basically what this is basically the animation here. UDIM2 dot new. Then put a open parentheses 0, or here's what we're gonna leave this blank here. So we're gonna leave that blank right now for opposition, comma, out. This is one of our animations. Now I guess we'll have a link below to all of the animations too. And bounce. Now you guys have to put this thing parentheses there only so it'll show that it is reading the string properly in script. Do comma 1 and close parentheses. Now just for my memory, I'm going to do double dash here and click position when GUI is open. That just helps you later on. Type else, copy this here, then do the same thing, position when GUI is closed. And you're also forgetting on equals false. So basically what this is saying is once you click it'll run this function. Or once you click the function, which will add our variable down here for it to run. The function is click. It's called click. And what happens is when you click the button, it'll check if on is false. If on is false, then it'll run this right here, which will mean on equals true. And then it'll do this right here to the GUI. So it'll take the GUI right here, which is F, which we defined up above. It'll tween its position or give it the animation of out and bounce. Right here's where our actual numbers will go, just some random numbers for now. And then it'll do the animation out and bounce, going in and out. Now for this right here, else, so if it's saying if this is not true, if on equals true, then it'll do else on equals false, so it'll turn on to false, or what we defined above. Then it'll reset it, and then it'll say do this animation to close it. And obviously, same thing like before, bunch of numbers here. Now we'll get into filling in those numbers later on, not right now, but we will later. So just keep the script. You can close it if you want to, but not right now. We need to finish this. Go do an enter and do script.Parent mouse button 1 click connect click. Now what this is doing is this is what our parent is saying. Alright, this button was clicked, run the function named click. That's basically it right now for this. Now what we're going to also do, because we are doing a text button, we're going to have it so it changes the text. So we want local t equals script.Parent.text. Now we're going to go over here, click t equals t.text. We'll remove text up top here just so don't break our script. Text equals, and then GUI, and then we want this to be close GUI. We're going to copy this, paste it in over here, and put open GUI. And you guys have that. You guys should be all set for the text and the GUI, so that'll work later on. But we have to fiddle with our GUI. So right now we're just going to fiddle with it, make sure it's working with the script. So we're going to put this at, let's say, 350, then 150, giving it a decent size. We'll put this. We want to make this at 0.5 or 0.25 put this at 0.25 and then 0.35. We'll change that to 3. So it should be wherever you want it. That's just where I'm going to put it for right now. Now click the position and copy it. Open up your script again. This is where it's going to be when it's open. So this is why I put this here. So this is the position that it's going to move to when it's open. So you just paste it in there. Now you're going to want to remove all of these here, because these brackets are not the proper ones that will help read the script. So now you guys have that. Let's get it to another position. So let's move it over. Let's put negative and negative on there. So now it's like somewhere off over here or something like that. But anyway, alright, let's not put that negative. Leave the Y as normal. And I'll just move it X, and I'll move it negative this way while keeping it on the same Y instead of it being so far off in the corner. Now we're going to repeat the same process we did with the open, pasting in the combo and deleting all these brackets here. And you should be all set to go. Now just leave your frame at the closed position whenever you're done. Make sure you reset it to that position. Then when you click play, your character will load in. You click open GUI, boom, the GUI opens and is animated, and it changed the text to close. And you guys can tell it'll work. And there you go. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video on this animated GUI, and I'm sorry I'm gonna try to get videos out from every day, or do like a daily video, or maybe even like every other day or something like that, if I have time for it. But anyway, so all the scripts the scripts are in the description. If you guys are wondering, yes, there are more than that one animation. That's just my favorite set of animations there. But there's more than one animation, and links for those will be in the description below. It's posted on the Roblox forum. And by the way, if you guys want the model for the GUI, it'll be in the description too, as I have that published underneath my account. Also, make sure you guys subscribe and comment for more videos, as I plan on for this to be a 3-part tutorial, but I can only do that with you guys' help. So yeah. Anyway guys, this is Paradox, and I'll see you next time.